Hostia, hostia, hostia.
Natural disasters on Event Shock channel. You're welcome. Strong gusts of windstorm and heavy rains have swept across the Spanish island of Majorca, causing several minor injuries. The alert remains in effect for Monday, as in Catalonia. Spain's Mediterranean coast, particularly the tourist archipelago of the Balearic Islands, is experiencing violent windstorm and heavy rains that have caused several minor injuries, significant material damage, and changes to several flights. Gusts reaching up to 120 km/h, downpours, and sometimes hail have hit mainly the Balearic Islands, but also Catalonia and the Valencia region, all three of which were partially placed on orange alert on Sunday by the National Meteorological Agency. The wind also broke the moorings of a 330-meter tourist cruise ship docked in Palma, on the island of Majorca, causing it to drift until it collided with a moored tanker, resulting in 6 minor injuries, the Balearic Islands Port Authority said in a statement. "24 flights were cancelled and 29 diverted to or from the Balearic Islands on Sunday," announced Spanish airport operator INA. This weather event, accompanied by a drop in temperatures, comes shortly after the 4th summer heatwave experienced by Spain, which ended on Thursday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.